Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the Little Crafter. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you so very much. Alright guys, so today we are going to be doing a spread in my vertical happy planner, my classic. I am also going to be using Miss Printable Studios and also paper crown planner for my headers. Alright guys, so I love using printables. You can cut them out, fussy cut or detail cut, whatever you want to call it. And you can also have your electronic cutting machine do the cutting for you. Alright guys, so I'm covering up. I didn't use any whiteout or Tombow for this. I'm also going to be cutting them with regular scissors, and I'm also using my true control knife from Cricut. As you can see, these are just regular stickers. Oh, that's also sticker paper. And again, I will list everything down below so that you guys know exactly what I am using. Alright, so I got this paper, I think, from Amazon or their direct store. Anyways, so I am cutting everything down, and then once that is done, I'll stick it down and cut what needs to be cut. So I really like cutting out stickers because I find it relaxing. And also, what else? You want to try and hold the scissors very carefully, and also more or less hold the paper not too tight, but just enough so that you can move the paper, and you will just use your scissors to just cut, so it's kind of like you move the paper more than you use the scissors. And I find that helps me. I know it's a little confusing, but once you start doing it, you'll get the hang of it. I'm sorry I'm out of frame. Again, I'm just cutting it to size. And again, I'm going to be then cutting out the date covers for this week. From Sussy Sugar Pop Fizz, Daily Off, trash can stickers, teeny weeny trash can and recycling stickers from Sweet Kawaii Design. The rest is from Savannah Paper Co. So this is a film and foil. I can't remember if this was silver or rose gold or gunmetal. The laptop record stickers, laundry, Clarence drinking coffee, taco stickers, pizza stickers, blog stickers, which is custom, therapy stickers, custom, her sampler. We are going to be using the date, the washi, and the date dots from, this is, I believe, pumpkin, foiled from rose colored daze. We are also, I don't know if I'm going to use their date cover. You know what, I think I'm going to use their weekend banner, because I don't know. And also letterhead planner. I have the other ones. I'm gonna definitely have to start using them because I'm running out of these. These are her neutral icon YouTube stickers. Alrighty, so alright, so the next part, I'm gonna just fast forward it, guys, and I'll do a little bit of a voiceover, and I'm going to start cutting out the date covers. I'm gonna be using the top ones in case I don't see it. Alrighty guys, so I cut out the part where I cut out the date covers, but they were pretty simple to cut out. There is a very thin line around the actual brush stroke so that you can see it. I just wish it was a little bit lighter, but other than that, these are so simple. And yes, the Monday is very, very off, but it is what it is. Now I'm putting on the date covers, and I am going to be starting off with some top stuff, a day off sticker, and when school is supposed to be starting, which is the 16th, not the 10th. They keep they can't make up their minds, even for online learning. But anyway, guys, I use the pale stickers because I think they match perfectly well, and I'm also adding the YouTube stickers from Metal Head Planner, also the workout stickers from Savannah Paper Co. And I'm also going to be adding a few odds and ends from Rose Colored Daze. I also forgot to mention that I will be using the what is that? The check little heart icons from Rose Colored Daze as well. That is the sampler 2.0. I love the sampler 2.0. They added a lot more to their sampler, which I absolutely love. And as I said before, the YouTube, Metalhead, Workout, Savannah Paper Co., the film, Savannah Paper Co., love the teeny weeny stickers from Sweet Kawaii Design, and I'm just adding everything, and yeah, so, and here is the weekend, and now laundry on Saturdays. It's better to do it on Saturdays because the place is packed. And just using the little icon from Rose Colored Daze, as you can see. Trying to fix that banner. Then I decided to use the washi headers. I'm also going to be using the pattern washi from the kit as well. It comes with a lot of different items. It also comes with headers with words, but I decided just to keep it very simple. Just a little bit of a pattern going on, nothing really fancy smancy, and just, you know, moving stuff as I see fit so that I can try and make everything fit nicely and straight as possible, which I will tell you now does not work. Clearance for me and David having coffee, another coffee date, and the little bubble icons are for social media. I like to share my spread on Savannah Paper Co.'s and use the pizza Savannah Paper Co.'s Facebook group. They have like share your spread Sundays. A lot of different groups have that, and it's really cool. I gotta remember to share my spread a little bit more. So I am also going to be cutting out some other half. Those are half boxes, or quarter. No, those are quarter boxes. Excuse me. I'm gonna be using that to track my weight on that. So yeah, I really like using like the top kind of gives me like a little bit of a list of what I'm going to do that day. Even though everything is important, I'm just moving that over so that I can actually make everything fit. And then I'm just cutting out those other 3 boxes. So I also cut out the other ones for the rest of the week, and I added Rose Colored Daze bows so that I can, I don't know, dress them up a little more. I'm also adding the washi layovers or covers to the washi, and also use a little bit of the monthly kit, which she also has available in her shop. Comes in various different sizes as well. And I'm also going to be adding a lot more of the, I'm going to add the marquee. I decided to pick that up earlier. I also used some Tambo, but yeah, I tried to do it that way, and then I was like, changed my mind. All right, so I also used some Tambo to add that little list. I'm going to put school up top. I was thinking that that was going to be my list for school, you know, since it's the first week, and just kind of get the hang of it from there. I'm going to be using the script from Sugar Pop Fizz. I'm going to be adding also, what is that? A tracker for water and other things, 2 trackers. And I'm going to add the different types of box heart checklist. I'm also going to be cutting one in half, and I will be cutting that for Wednesday and Thursday. Also, I upload every Monday and Monday and Wednesdays. I try to do my best at least. And yeah, so everything is pretty much from the kit. And it's a really good kit, and it's from Etsy. I did mess up on that checklist right there, but it worked out. And I really liked it. It's colorful. It's I don't know. I really enjoyed working with this kit. It has a lot, but I also wanted to add a few little things to make it more me. And so that is that. So here is the finished product. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.